Welcome to day 1 of your CPC exam 2025 30-day study plan, brought to you by KS Medical Coding Academy. Let's start with the most important foundation, CPT Guidelines, and how to navigate your coding book like a pro. CPT Guidelines are official instructions from the American Medical Association that help you apply codes correctly. These are found at the start of the CPT book, before each major section, and even before specific code groups. On the CPC exam, questions are based on guideline rules. For example, code 11721 is not for routine nail trimming. It's only for nail debridement. This detail is found in the guideline above the code. You'll find general guidelines in the first few pages of the CPT book. Section-specific guidelines are right before each major section, like surgery or radiology. Always read them before using codes. Symbols are coding shortcuts. A plus sign means the code must be reported with a primary code. A triangle means the description changed this year. You'll see these all over your exam book. Efficient navigation can save you 30+ minutes on your exam. Start with the index, confirm the full description in the tabular section, and don't forget the appendices like modifier A or add-on code B. Your challenge: find these 5 CPT codes in your book. Aim for under 10 seconds per code. Fast lookups are the key to finishing 100 questions in time. Today we built your coding foundation. You now know how to read CPT Guidelines and navigate the book like a CPC pro. Tomorrow, we focus on evaluation and management coding, one of the most tested areas. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're here daily to guide your CPC exam prep, one day at a time.